Me mama nyina akwaba bio ya say share de di kan me da me subscribers and me viewers fo nyina ase nyame nhia wo baby a wo bia na sane a me ka no me bompa ye se onyame bema wo asomdwe a wo hwehwe wo fidiem se be ya obenya break akra wo na de abehwe original nti wo a wo hwe me videos na wo share na wo like na wo ja me comment no me da wase so ati ase nti and then so yeah be a simple recipe yeah ba use Omorc air fryer no so sane ye di twa cake the original recipe a simple a quick one we no show so na we na air fryer na de ba kun so me refi na wo se me na wo chene se a energy saver and na boa we dey ya bad time adamfo we your bad time na bia we sizi chicken fish and ya do southern fried chips ni ade esi ho no akwa adwuma na o maba easy for them no mo dia share o air fryer ni na just say no o hyew so o set time na ewie ya se nkola no o mo refi o mo kra na edum ni say o hyew so na yetiawa enti no so wani je ho dia promo na eguso okoso so ahụ ti made information ni na abeto description box ni mama na se wani je ho na ni o hyew so no akwa akopebi enti we dia me nji obiri bebre je wakonya na me fa simple recipe and shisha so enti we say I am sugar na 120 grams so 2% would be come out with me and sa and na me margarine so ni and 175 grams and away ya me nutmeg and us ye betri egu ye be hia be half a teaspoon and away I desiccated coconut and no 30 grams so way I self-raising flour and no 175 grams and away say 4 eggs a medium size and away vanilla extract and away orange extract nti anu ani o nti abusia for one side ya me chire we simple nti take back am de be ma say wo ye coconut cake now you so desiccated coconut and ma wo cake no dry kakra enti nka normally no me fa nkosia miensa 175 grams of butter but desiccated coconut no man ye dry kakra so I want 2 day nkosia ba ko ne ka ho na ma ye moist ama na ye kama enti de edi kan no me chance am de beto cake ni me cake tin me de butter na afem wo betumi de oil spray afem me be and away so I am a parchment paper and as a baking paper so me de to one am di we ni see so cake tin no na me twa cake now they are to baking tin say be ya we cake na e be easily ama cake eno nti na me ntu ni bia e ma ne ha wo betumi de flour so afem na e kan nti say na tie ti me de si ho na afa de agro ya hihye so and it say baby I made dream me sugar no egum so na afi odo butter no and so aka until butter no make sure say a room temperature wa hu say na emre so kama na afi waka ene asichire na fra to bet me use whisk and na say hand whisk nti me be use electric hand whisk so and so be koyi ba me ka fra na mu asan to one say room temperature into one say ni momre main whisk e kra nti amani is into ni electric whisk na mpacho fa whisk na try recipe more original hunsa na ekoyi say me whisk na light and fluffy na fa ya to ya so so ya na fa wa de waka abem na wasan whisk na kakra so opa say double in size keke so ti wa unsa na me butter mix ya ye nti afa na me di me nkosua na be ka ho mako na ma whiskey say ni mixture na ye na wo ye cake bi ama wet ingredient ni na nkom ansana wo de dry one egum nti me de half a teaspoon of orange extract so and I me de 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract me pe wo ti so wo mpe vanilla na betumi use de wo pe bia na e kan ti we ni so no aka fra be 1 minute bia so Nse si ame flour ni na me nutmeg ni nti me twi be half a teaspoon egu so. Yeah, no the upper more so to taste now they are calm. They are need now the same open a can na ko yi. Say I made me desiccated coconut negum so na afi. For flour and nutmeg and so the egum. Now was so. And also my eba o cake ni man here light fine. For more than say over son so come. The mesane so no I send ye. Be the see one ya cheers. See no wa kan ni na afra. Say be a defra cake ni bi be ko baby ya come. Afenado flour no egum. No wa folding in so kakra. You folding in brewa na afi do hand whisk no. Afi mu kakra bia me mu nyina esane kama aka afra. No we ane saw. Yes, simple cra. To be the hand whisk na afi mu kakra bi na ewi. There was a first say me make sure you so na wa hwie ni na ego cake tin. Nti no pen wo muffin tin mu so abetumi aye ne sa so na so be koyi kama. Nti na do spatula no wo di afefa so ama eni ni nyina aye pepepe kama. Ti afi na ri abobo ho kakra so na ma bi ewu mu na fi. Kebusia for my preheat me air fryer and one for 3 minutes. I was 170 and I'm a DSC me. So I will not feel the shame. And they say my set here to 180 and I made the time and not to 20 minutes. So but me chin my share. So I'm the 20 minutes. And they say na you. Na me de me sakai no. Me ni je ho na mo me be set me time no so ti me san de ashem na afa ma sesa me temperature no me reduce no ti me time no so me de bi ka ho so ti me wi a me kiro de me yisu nyina to aso awusha fo be share na cake di aye ni hey amanfo she me de biscuit was say wo mu ahwe. So, who you clear, Tinette Sabia and Sa. She. Jayo, a me see honor. Is a saying, no about more than so bad, who be so me was soon a cacra. Way, that's way. Oops. And I come at you. Way, Papa. Wash. With a simple muhimane hinu. Gana na to see. To me, my one jokakra, na fidi, yedin come traso. I wish you for ye cake na so go you. Na hega, a quay, and I mean trebbing chiller away. She. Send a cake, I'm out for the you. She send a cake, I wish I for into all send a cake here. When I come back, carry me name to have a picture to make an answer. Now send your air camera. But more the answer over try a very moist so until send me the kind chair or made it to 20 minutes. Until 15 minutes through my cooking time no, and I'm a call 160. So into first 15 minutes no, 180. Now what's the about 160. Then what to 20 minutes. Until nina acquire 35 minutes. And so some come in the oven there, it brought to me the shame by 15 minutes and I say up to an hour. So me two chancing with myself by a munina bear come. nti me de me hu ne say kama nyame adom nso a me wo mofi recipe bi nso a me di etwa and nso me di be di so ama I love you, God bless you.